Okay, to install HamClock in Ubuntu 24.04, go to clearskyinstitute.com/ham/HamClock. Go to the desktop tab and scroll down for the specific command for installing in Ubuntu. And you're going to copy that. These are some prerequisite programs. Go to your terminal, and I'm going to work from my home directory. Paste that command, add a -y at the end. Okay, when that's done, go back to the website, desktop tab, and scroll up. Copy the curl command. Paste that in the terminal. Okay, now copy and paste the unzip command. Now cd into the ESP Ham Clock directory. Copy the make command. And it's going to create an 800 by 480 window. When that's done, copy the sudo make install command. Now to run it, just type HamClock and in the terminal. And it'll take you to the initial configuration window. If this window is too small, you can close out of the terminal, scroll down on the desktop tab, and you can see the screen resolutions for the terminal. I'm going to go with 1600 by 960. Start by going into the ESP Ham Clock directory in your terminal, then copy and paste make clean. Copy and paste the second make command. Now instead of 2400 by 1440, I'm going to change that to 1600 by 960. When that's done, copy and paste sudo make install. Now run HamClock. And at the configuration window, all you have to do is enter your call sign in the upper left corner, and then click built-in beside NTP until the option showing is computer. Then click done. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.